family, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Selena Zinchuk. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing how to revive damaged hair with a protein treatment. If you don't know, I decided to be a straight hair natural and I got a severe heat damage, so I'm just trying to reverse that. And because of that, I've been using my S Secrets strengthening line. I've also used a bonding treatment, but I'm also going to start including protein treatment in my hair. Why? Because our hair is made out of 95% protein, which is a keratin protein, and then it's made of liquid and then lipids. So since protein, which is the keratin protein, is 95%, because of me doing that on my hair, I broke the structure down. And apart from that, just the wear and tear on our hair, constantly styling our hair, that can also weaken our hair. So to put that strength back in our hair, it's good that we include a protein treatment into our hair routine. Now, to include a protein treatment into your hair routine, you also need to know how to do that, because protein is very strong. I would recommend you do it every 4 weeks or 6 weeks, but I'm going to be doing mine every 2 months. That is every 8 weeks, because my regular hair care products also consist of protein, but which is my protein, which is good for a weekly routine. Now, this protein I'm going to be using is a very popular protein, and it's also very strong. This is the Afrogy 2 Steps Protein Treatment. It comes with this one that you apply to your hair after your shampoo, and then the conditioner. But I also picked up this Keratin 2 Mini Reconstructor. This is something I'm going to be using in between me waiting for 2 months before I do this keratin treatment. Now, this keratin treatment steps is very simple. Number one, you have to shampoo your hair. So I'm going to shampoo my hair with our S Secrets shampoo, and then after we apply it on my hair, I'm going to let you guys know all what you need to do and all what you do not need to do once this protein treatment is in your hair. So let me go and rinse this pre-poo treatment out. I will shampoo my hair, and then I will come back for us to start applying the 2-step keratin treatment into my hair. I decided to take this clear spray bottle so I can be able to see how much I'm using and how much is left. I'm hoping this is able to cover my entire hair. I use almost all of it. So once this is in your hair, you don't touch it, you don't manipulate it, because it's starting to get very dry and stiff. You don't run any comb through it. All I'm going to do right now is sit under the dryer until it fully dry. Once it's fully dry, and then I'm gonna jump in the shower and then rinse it out. And then the second step, I'm gonna go in with our conditioner. Again, once this treatment is in your hair, you do not manipulate your hair, because if you do, you will cause a lot of breakage. It feels very, very sticky. It feels very dry and very hard. So make sure you don't manipulate it. This is completely dry. This feels so weird. I don't want to manipulate here, but it feels so weird. I'm gonna go and rinse this out and I will be right back. I'm done rinsing out our protein treatment. My hair now feels normal again. This is the back. I haven't detangled. I haven't done anything else to it. I'm going in with my conditioner. I hope this is a good detangler too, because I want to use this to detangle. But if it is not a good detangler, I will just leave it on, and then after 2 minutes I will rinse it out, and then I will go in with my actual conditioner to detangle. So I will see you guys back here and let you guys see the finished look when I'm done detangling and done deep conditioning. After that, also make sure, since it is a protein treatment, you go in with a deep conditioner. I'm gonna go in with a deep conditioner too. I'm gonna leave the deep conditioner on anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes. After that, I will rinse it out and come back and moisturize and throw my hair into my low bun. It was a bit difficult for me to tangle my hair with the conditioner, which I already expected. But after I applied the conditioner and then I rinsed it out, I went in, I deep conditioned my hair, and then I just moisturized my hair and throw it into a low bun. I do not plan on doing anything professional this week. I'm gonna have meetings, but it's just gonna be from home. So throwing it into my low bun, that's also less manipulation. I do not have to touch my hair for the next 5 to 7 days. So it's gonna stay into this low bun. Now my overall take on using a protein treatment, the AfriG two-step protein treatment, I'm like, why didn't I started incorporating this into my hair longer? Because as I mentioned earlier on, our head is made of 95% protein, and those protein get depleted the more we manipulate our hair, the environment that we stay in. So we have to use protein treatment. But now that I am on it, I'm going to continue to use it, and I'm not going to overdo it, because you can also get protein overload if you overuse protein on your hair. You just have to find a way to balance between protein and moisture. So if in my case, I'm going to use it every 2 months, and in pretty then I'm going to use my own products and also make sure that I moisturize my hair so I do not have protein overload or I do not have moisture overload. You just have to know how to balance your hair. But yes, I'm happy that I incorporated this into my hair routine. If you haven't incorporated protein into your hair routine, this is something I will want you to research about it first and see if your hair can handle it. But this is the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have more questions, leave it down in the comment section, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.